Do you want to hide someone's stories on Instagram? You can block an Insta story from someone with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide someone's stories on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, search and open the specific person's profile. Now, I am hiding stories from this account. Now, under the profile and bio of your friend, find and tap on the following button. A pop-up menu with multiple options will appear. From this menu, tap on Mute. Another small menu will appear. Enable the toggle switch button next to stories to stop seeing their stories in your feed. Now, the person's stories will no longer appear at the top of your Instagram home screen.